What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chef K, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the fruit roll-ups. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let's get into these fruit roll-ups. So I'm going to start with the pineapples first. Just put some pineapples in a blender, and then I'm going to squeeze a tablespoon of lemon juice and just blend that up. And then once it's all blended up, go ahead and put it through a mesh strainer and just strain that to get like any of the chunks out. Preferably use a bigger mesh strainer than the one I'm using. I couldn't find my other ones. I can never find them. I'll probably need to buy some more. But anyway, after that, we're just going to move on to the strawberries and the raspberries. So go ahead and put in strawberries or raspberries, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then go ahead and blend that up. And then do the same process. Go ahead and strain that as well. Then we're going to go ahead and add in some sugar. And don't forget that all of the measurements will be down below. And just go ahead and mix that together. Then we're going to go ahead and submerge our parchment paper into some water just so that the parchment paper lays better on the baking sheet. Now you can go ahead and pour your mixture onto the parchment paper and make whatever design you want. I'm assuming if you're making this, you probably have kids, so whatever design they want to make. I don't have kids because team FDK. If you know, you know. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe one day, but not today. Y'all go ahead and make these fruit roll-ups for your kids. As you can see, I'm just going ahead and just making my own little design. And then I'm just going to kind of play around with it. But the longest part of this recipe is put in the oven, because now you have to put it in the oven on 170 degrees for 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours. Mine's took about like 6 to 7 because I had a little bit more. But yeah, so when it comes out, it should look something like this, but be sure to make sure that it's not still sticky. If you guys look at the red part of mine, you can see that it's a little bit sticky, so you don't want it to look like that, preferably like the yellow part. I put a little bit more than what I put down below in the measurements, so I ended up having to put mine back into the oven after I filmed this part for you guys. But anyway, this is what your fruit roll-up would look like. Go ahead and just roll it up and enjoy. Be sure to let me know down below in the comments if you guys like recipes like this and if you want to see more. And I'll check you guys in the next video. Later. Maybe controller.